fine. 3, 2, 1, go! All right. Friendly, no bands inside. No bands inside. Move up. No bands up front, no bands around the corner. No bands. Oh, freak. Oh, my nose. Oh, dead man. Oh, where's my dead rag? Oh crap, I'm bleeding. Oh, I feel it. It's yeah, whoa, dummy. Moving up.
Go.
Is there a guy right here around the corner?
Is there one around the corner? No, I don't see anybody.
Moving up.
Got him.
I'm gonna get this right one. Hey, can we go over here?
Well, is that, yeah, I think you can do that if you're able to get through on that side.
I don't want to push them back too far.
Yeah. Keep an eye out for the flag. You can't have to see the flag.
Hey.
Hey.
I got you, man.
Yeah.
Oh, freak, I'm sorry, dude. You alright?
Yeah, but hit my helmet, then I hit my neck.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Freak, I'm sorry, dude.
It's alright.
Stay in. That was too close.
That just happened there.
That was too close. I'm sorry, man. Just stay in. I'll call myself out.
Hey, you got some blood coming down, dude.
I know. John shot me in the nose.
Oh. An assassin there. You just like snuck up on me. Oh, you got one. You got nailed there.
Your son shot me in the nose.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
How close?
He was pretty far. He was about.
It's bleeding.
Yeah, I know. I could feel it. He was about this far.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's pretty far? Okay. Yeah, I think I shot somebody right through the doorway when they came out, and I accidentally was...
I just shot one of the little kids right now in the face. And I was like, oh crap, that was too close. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's not,
I wonder if he threw it like in the grass somewhere. He definitely made it interesting. It's gotta be. Oh crap, sorry man.
well, that got twice on the finger right there. That hurt. Hey, they're going all the way to the back over there.
Hey, you can't talk when you're dead.
Oh, you can't?
No, you can't tell us when you're dead.
Alright, never mind. No dead man talking.
Yeah.
Dead man. I'm out of ammo, actually. They didn't get me. I can't see any flags.
Actually, we can't even go that far.
Did you check that side right there? See
Corner?
flags? You see checking that side right there, see any flags?
I did check over there.
But I don't know if anybody checked this.
I checked over there. I'll check again.
All the way to the corner there?
Yeah. Friendly. Where's that freaking flag at? Yeah. It's not over here. Watch out, your right side. Left side, doorway. Hey, what was your name? Hey, move back. Trade kill, yeah. Dead man?
You got one right here. Right on your cheek.
Oh, I know.
And that's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you're new. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.